26. Laymen. Laymen have not had a good time of it in the church. It has at times been their fault and at other times the fault of the clergy. Sometimes laymen have been indifferent to their Christian responsibilities, and in other cases the clergy has been unwilling to allow any responsibility to the laymen. The very words for laymen have undergone change, indicating some disrespect. The word lewd originally meant laymen in Old English. At first it meant not of the church, a layman, then ignorant or rude, then of the lowest orders in the church, and then finally base or vile. All in all, the English language shows a history of disrespect for laymen. The Bible gives us a very different picture. We are members of Christ's body, whatever our calling. We are living stones in his spiritual house, all of us a dedicated priesthood called to offer spiritual sacrifices through Christ. 1 Peter 2:5. It's neither pastor nor layman who is central, but Christ and his kingdom. To depreciate the calling of laymen is wrong. It is wrong if it is done by pastors, and equally wrong when it is done by laymen. Some laymen want to leave all the responsibilities of the church in the hands of the pastor and then sit back and criticize. Others delegate all concern for the life of the church to their wives. God holds us responsible for the authority he gives us, whether in our calling, home, or church. We cannot delegate our accountability to the Lord. When God surveys the plight of his church, he holds all of us, pastors and laymen, accountable for its condition. And with God, no excuse works.